right leg backward and hold the right ankle with the right hand. Left hand stretched forward. Pull the right leg upward and backward. Lean forward slightly. Make sure to gaze at one point. Stay there for few breaths and slowly relax. Now repeat this on the other side. And relax. Make sure not to lean forward too much, slightly come up. Left hand shouldn't be pointed straight, it has to be pointed to the ceiling. Do not hold the toes, make sure to hold the ankle. Make sure your right hand is straight and right leg pulled backward. If you cannot do this pose easily, follow these variations. Variation 1. Wall support is the best way to get into deeper pose. Variation 2. Use a yoga strap to wrap it around the ankle and draw the leg towards you by pulling the strap upward. With the support of your partner, you can do this pose easily.
Now, let us look at some of the benefits of this asana. It improves focus and nervous balance. It strengthens the back, shoulders, arms, hips and the entire legs. It's a very nice posture which tones the arms and reduces excess fat at the upper arms. It corrects the wrong posture of the shoulders. The chest and shoulders are expanded here and thus creates more space for the breath, and also it's a very nice posture to correct the hunchback.